maybe some hotel or empty government units. We have identified units such as that where we might be able to isolate individuals with COVID, and just as much the same way individuals who may not have COVID but cannot. If there's an individual isolating in a house, and it's easier to remove one or two people and get them out of the house and into a safe location. So we might be able to do the same. And there are houses and/or hotels or gymnasiums or what have you located in the communities where we may need to put individuals in those situations.
Selma Eccles also raised the issue of elders and the isolation that they may feel under this new lockdown in a community and in a society where elder care is so important. We're seeing this across the country, where in long-term care facilities there is a second wave that is more ferocious in many ways than the first. What's being done specifically to ensure the protection of elders?
In terms of the elder protection, the elders facilities have been locked down. There will be no visiting with anybody in the elders facility unless it is pre-authorized by the public health officer on duty or on call at the time. So in that scenario, if an individual wants to visit their elder, the public health officer has to make sure that the individual it is safe to do so, that they are not on the watch list, they're not one of the people who are under contact tracing and so on and so forth. They have very strict measures to follow, and then that individual is allowed to visit, and when they do visit, they have to be at a certain distance from the individual they're visiting. And also, every staff member in the facility is going through a daily screening process to ensure that the staff that are entering the facility are safe. And the staff are also being advised not to go to public places and to remain isolated when they are not in the facility. So, and ensuring that the individual working at the facility is only working at the facility and not at the store or at a gift shop or something like that.
There are a lot of questions, obviously, about how these cases managed to make their way into Nunavut. And both you and the Premier have said, and these are the words of the Premier, the sort of blame game serves no purpose. You said, let's please stop guessing about who, what, where, and when, and how this happened. What are you concerned about in that you would make those statements?
I'm just concerned about people thinking that the rumors